Afternoon to everyone. This is the Power of Healing with Uthabi Ungowekhethelo Buhlekazi. I saw something a week ago, 2 weeks ago about relationships. Angithanda ukukhuluma ngama-spiritual relationships, ne? Because it's so complex that we tend to misunderstand and misinterpret a lot of things. A year or 2 years ago, I made a video about umuntu omkhethelwe abantu abadala. But before I get into today's video where ngizokhuluma yin and yang situation, yin and yang symbol or sign or totem. Kunento efane siyazi. Imimoya iyathobelana. In spirituality, imimoya iyathobelana. Kune sense of respect in terms of ranks, right? So there's this thing that I always mention, alignment, when someone is aligned. Now, what does alignment mean? Alignment means when female physical body, but let's say spiritually you carrying amakhehla, asisho kanjalo. When we do alignment, isizama ukuthi your physical being ne spiritual being zihambisane. Kube khona okuthobela okunye. Now when someone is aligned, you understand who you are. You understand both your physical and spiritual assignments. And you also understand your place in the universe. Now, if you are a female person and physical, but spiritually you are male, or spiritually umbethwa amakhehla, that doesn't take away your femininity. If you are female spiritually, umbethwa abogogo, umbethwe izalukazi, but physically you are a male, it does not take away your mascularity when as a man mawembathwa abogogo ayikho into underlinewayo lapho, noma it doesn't mean you are belittled ngoba kuthiwa umbethwa abogogo, so meaning that when we are challenging your masculinity. No. Umuntu aligniwe zazi kahle noma wenza kahle into zakhe, ohambisa izinto ngohlelo, knows that yes, in the spiritual I'm female, but in the physical I'm male. Or yes, I am male physically, but spiritually I'm a female. Or sorry, no, I am spiritually I'm a female, but physically I'm a male. Right? We as understand that, because both of these things, both of these realms in you were aligned together. Now, there's always a saying that abantu abadala bayasichuzela abantu abafuna sibe nabo. Yes, bayasichuzela, and I've explained why choose and all of that. I made videos about that. And how will they choose? But they will mostly choose, guys, remember there's negotiations before you even meet. Now, the reason why they would choose a particular person, in this case, let's speak about abantu who are spiritually called or spiritually gifted. They will never choose a person opposer what you are. They'll never choose a person that's going to challenge what you are spiritually. They'll never choose a person that's going to oppose what's happening between wena and your soul, or the path that the soul is supposed to take. You understand? Now, in most cases, you get that bazokuchuzela umuntu who understands your journey. Ne? Now, the yin and yang, as I said, imimoya iyatobelana. If umuntu asithi you are a female, bakuchuzele mhlambe uyi-female uhamba namakhehla bakuchuzele a male or whose chief spirits are or chief guides are female. Do you understand? Yes, spiritually the ranks are different, but even physically the ranks are different. The thing esiyenzayo thina singena ku-competition ukuthi who's bigger than who or who's stronger than who, or we want to compete. Now imimoya ngesimoya kuyathotshelwana aku there's no competition. As much as in physical there shouldn't be a competition. As a female, I know my place. As a male, you know your place. But then akekho islima la in terms of understanding who you are. Inkinga efika ibe khona is that thina, because spiritually you've got the strength of a male, now you want to bring it to the physical part. Do you understand? Or physically you are a male and then you want to bring it to the spiritual part. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. Akekho umuntu ofanele aziprove when nichuzelwe partners. Akekho ofanele aziprove, you understand? Hence I did explain ukuthi if uyi-female and you carry amakhehla and afuna into ethize in terms of a partner, or afuna into ethize in terms of a spiritual partner, they will choose somebody also aligner nabo by themselves. You don't have a good way. Stop interfering. The thing is, we interfere. People are so physically dominant, it's crazy. Because immediately you go to them and saying, Funi partner kanje, but then you want to direct the whole thing. Do you understand? You ufuna ukuyidirector manje ngendlela yenyama, and which this thing ayizange ihlanganiswe inyama. So the yin and yang, everybody has that. Everybody has iyeng yakhe or yin yakhe. You have that. It has to be balanced. Guys, life is balanced. Everything has to balance in terms of you being a human being and you being a spiritual child. So asiyekeni mani ukuzama ukuzenzela a lot of things thina mhlambe uzenzele wena. You have to always sometimes have to remember, not always, but sometimes have to remember that ezinye izinto they are just assignments and ezinye izinto they are seasonal. But a relationship, as I've explained before, I'm still going to explain again, is a relationship yabantu abadala abayiletha bona, or the chosen partner. Inama responsibilities more than anything else. There's responsibilities that have to be carried, or that have to be carried. Sorry, and zenzeke. Gunama assignments more than, you understand. It's even difficult for a person who's not in the spiritual journey to understand umuntu ku spiritual journey. That is why they will never choose umuntu also opposer who you are. So kusakuningi ekufanele sifundisane size sifike lapha esiyakhona. Sometimes it's not ukuthi they bring a partner, and then as they bring a partner to you, and then you want to take it upon yourself to drive the whole thing, and manje it's messing up the agreement between the two ancestral parties, your entourage. It messes things up because there were certain agreements that you're not aware of. So it's a difficult conversation that needs to be analyzed, you understand, and umuntu and broken down ukuthi as a physical person, how far should I go in terms of my chosen partner? Where is the limit where it's no longer on my terms? And I think if we can get to that, to understand ukuthi it's not driven by you. It will never be driven by you. If it was somebody that was brought to you, azange bathi iba driver. Because our journey in most cases, we're not driving it tina siyiti. I actually had to experience that today. Ukuthi I say drive it tina man, but it's driven by them and they choose where you should be at what time. So until we get to a point where tina self we are aligned and we understand who we are and grounded to what and who we are, that's when izinto zizoba right, and that is when sizoqala now to focus on what's just in izinto ezibekela eduze kwethu. We understand until there are certain things that as a human being in physical form you have to abide by. There are rules that you fanele ukuthi uwahloniphe. As much as with the spiritual, there are rules and regulations ekufanele uwahloniphe. Akukho umazenzela nokuthi wazi kangakanani or uhlakaniphe kangakanani or strong kangakanani. There's nothing to do with that. Or powerful kangakanani, or because if it was a lento arranged by them, by your guides, by your ancestors, by inama terms wayo. Yeah, so I saw a post the other day saying lamakhehlo nawo ayamdinga ayamdinga unkosikazi or ayamdinga umfazi. But then yes ayamdinga, but ungathi ke umthathela omhlambe ngalendlela wena uyicabanga ngayo. It's not ayikho ngalendlela uyicabanga ngayo and efanele kuyenzeke ngakhona. And azange kuthiwe because sekuthiwe when unamakhehla now you have to lose yourself as a woman and act like, you understand, uyikhehla spiritually. Uyikhehla spiritually okwesimoya. Physically you still a woman and you still have the responsibilities of a woman. You still have to respect the form in which oze ngayo. You understand? And until we understand then bazalwane, we're going to be fine. Until we understand that bantwana betonga, we're going to be fine, and sizokwazi ukuthi siphile being grounded to what and who you are. Being aligned to what and who you are. That will help us. Thank you.